Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for Steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. This passage is for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court Triple S and Steno Typist exam. Be ready. Start. The criminal justice delivery system gives justice to the criminal. Full stop. It gives every reasonable concession God and man. Full stop. They are fed and housed. Full stop. They are given legal, medical, psychological and psychiatric aid. Full stop. Even education and vocational training are provided to them. Full stop. It may be correct for the state to utilize its meager resources to rehabilitate and even pamper the unrepentant violators of law. Full stop. However, we cannot ignore the victims. Full stop. We have to imagine the torture, the trauma that the victims, the children that are abused, the women who are assaulted, the men who have been blinded, the parents whose children have been molested and murdered go through even after they have borne the initial shock of the crime. Full stop. Stanza. About 2 years back, it was reported in the press that two brothers who were sentenced to 10 years in prison on a charge of rape had walked out of the court, escorted by an unarmed policeman. Full stop. They had escaped and returned to their victim's house. Full stop. They had allegedly chopped off her left leg. Full stop. The victim had fought a 2 year long legal battle to get the two accused convicted. Full stop. After her leg was chopped off, she must have wondered whether it was worth it. Full stop. Stanza. Over the centuries, the concerned about the criminals and their rehabilitation. Full stop. The victims of crime, the victims of a slanderer's tongue, the victims of an assassin's dagger have been the forgotten children of the criminal justice delivery system. Full stop. The state has the responsibility to protect the people and their property. Full stop. When it fails to perform its duty, the crime occurs. Full stop. The victim suffers. Full stop. In spite of the suffering that the victim faces, the society expects the victims to support the justice delivery system. Full stop. Stanza. The agony begins when the person goes to lodge the report. Full stop. It continues till the end of the trial. Full stop. The victim is made to go through the soul crushing job of repeating the gory crime. Full stop. He is subjected to the anguishing agony of a ruthless cross examination. Full stop. At the end, he has to often bear the ignominy and indignation of being disbelieved in spite of having told the whole truth. Full stop. The plight of the victim under our system is pitiable. Full stop. In the present day world, it is not the criminal but the victim who shirks and dodges the public eye. Full stop. He is angry and insecure. Full stop. Stanza. Mere punishment to the criminal does not give full justice to the victim. Full stop. The system must become responsive to the needs of the victim. Full stop. Section 357 arms the court with the power to compensate the victim. Full stop. It authorizes the court to impose a fine and to direct that the amount shall be applied in the payment of compensation for any loss or injury caused by the offense, full stop. The obvious purpose is to compensate the victim, full stop. Is it not time that used and the necessity of compelling him to go through the ordeal of a second trial before the civil court was obviated? Question mark. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी विद फ्लक्चुएशन। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर कंटेंट्स लाइक दिस। अगर आपको इस वीडियो का मैटर चाहिए, इस डिक्टेशन का मैटर चाहिए, तो वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।